The government of Pakistan has developed a revised EV policy and public-private partnership framework to encourage private sector investment in clean transportation. First of all, the government of Pakistan is reviving the EV policy to encourage private sector investment in the entire EV value chain, which includes battery development, recycling, charging, infrastructure, and EV assembly and manufacturing. Then the incentives have been developed to promote adoption of low-emission vehicles. Emission standards are also being developed and enforced to regular emissions. The government has developed an incentive mechanism to encourage investment in the EV charging infrastructure through public-private partnership. The government has also initiated green mass transit in various parts of the country, and these initiatives, I'm sure, will help the country meet the NDC targets and improve the carbon competitiveness of our exports by lowering Scope 3 emissions.